Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the DJI Pocket 2 action cameras. DJI's Pocket lineup has always aimed to bring high-quality video in a portable and user-friendly package. But the Pocket 3 steps up the game with a larger sensor, better low-light performance, and a bigger screen that actually rotates for those TikTok-ready shots. It's all about convenience and quality, but is it worth the upgrade? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two action cameras and see which one is best for your needs and style. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design and build quality. The Pocket 2 is truly pocket-sized with its compact dimensions and weighs just 117 grams. On the other hand, the Pocket 3 is a bit larger and weighs 179 grams compared to the Pocket 2. That's a noticeable difference in weight, mainly because of the new larger sensor and screen. Despite being a bit heavier, the Pocket 3 has a sturdier and more premium feel. The biggest improvement here is the 2-inch rotatable OLED screen, which makes it so much easier to review footage on the spot, and even lets you film in both landscape and portrait modes. But the Pocket 2's 1-inch screen just doesn't provide the same experience. So, if you're after a more versatile screen and a sturdier feel, the Pocket 3 has a clear edge. Now let's get into one of the biggest upgrades on the Pocket 3, the sensor and shooting features. The Pocket 3 boasts a new 1-inch sensor compared to the Pocket 2's 1/1.7-inch sensor. This upgrade is massive because it means better low-light performance, better dynamic range, and more detail in your shots. The larger sensor significantly reduces the noise issues that you might have noticed in darker areas with the Pocket 2. Also, the Pocket 3 adds portrait mode filming, a feature that's missing from the Pocket 2, which is perfect for content creators focused on platforms like TikTok. Additionally, DJI included dynamic framing and spin shot capabilities, which could come in handy for creative shots. As for the low-light performance and more creative shooting options, the Pocket 3 takes the win in this section. When it comes to video quality, both cameras shoot up to 4K video at 60 FPS, which is fantastic for most needs. But the Pocket 3 offers an additional 4K video at 120 FPS for slow-motion footage, which the Pocket 2 doesn't support. This is a huge deal if you're into capturing dramatic slow-motion shots in full 4K quality. On the flip side, the Pocket 2 can shoot up to 240 FPS, but it's limited to 1080p. So, if you're after extreme slow-mo and don't mind the lower resolution, the Pocket 2 is still a strong option. But, with 4K slow-mo and improved low-light performance, the Pocket 3 has a clear advantage for video quality. On the other hand, in terms of photo quality, the Pocket 2 surprisingly has the edge with a higher resolution, but neither of these cameras is meant to be a photography-first device. So, if you need higher res photos, the Pocket 2 might suit you better, but for general photography, both are solid options. Let's talk about additional features that might make one of these cameras a better fit for you. The Pocket 3 introduces live streaming, which is perfect for vloggers who want an all-in-one tool for video and live content. And with its new face tracking and dynamic framing, it's easy to keep your subject centered and well-framed without much fuss. Both cameras offer excellent stabilization, so no complaints in there, but the added functionalities in the Pocket 3 really make it a versatile tool for creators. So if live streaming and enhanced tracking features sound appealing, the Pocket 3 is the way to go. Lastly, let's look at the pricing. The Pocket 2 comes in at a more affordable price, with the standard version costing $349 and the Creator Combo at $499. In contrast, the Pocket 3 starts at $519, and with its Creator Combo priced at $669. Yes, it's a bigger investment, but you're also getting a lot more, such as the bigger sensor, 4K slow-motion capabilities, and features like portrait mode and live streaming. So, if you're looking for the best bang for your buck and just need solid video performance, the Pocket 2 still holds its ground. But if you're ready to spend a bit more for all the new features and improvements, the Pocket 3 is worth it. As for my conclusion, if you're focused on budget and need a reliable compact camera for everyday vlogging, the Pocket 2 is a fantastic choice. But if you're ready to level up with better video quality, more shooting options, and live streaming capabilities, the Pocket 3 is the clear winner. Either way, you'll be walking away with an amazing pocket camera from DJI.